Imagine a smartphone that has a stunning OLED display with 4000 nits of peak brightness, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, and a 5000 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's the Redmi K70 Pro, the latest flagship killer from Xiaomi's sub-brand. And in this video, we're going to take a first look at this amazing device and see what it has to offer. Let's get started. The Redmi K70 Pro is the successor to the Redmi K60 Pro, which was one of the best value-for-money smartphones of 2022. The K70 Pro takes everything that was great about the K60 Pro and makes it even better. The design is similar, with a glass back and a metal frame, but the K70 Pro comes in some new colors, including a special Lamborghini edition that looks stunning. The phone also has an infrared sensor on the top, a dual SIM slot, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. However, it lacks a microSD card slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The highlight of the Redmi K70 Pro is the display. It has a 6.67-inch QHD Plus OLED screen that supports 120Hz refresh rate, 12-bit colors, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and 4000 nits of peak brightness. This is the brightest display on any smartphone, and it can show up to 68.7 billion colors. The screen also has a 2160Hz touch sampling rate, 3840Hz PWM dimming, and an AI algorithm for upscaling select video games and apps. The display is co-created with TCL, and it uses the C8 screen light-emitting material, which is a new technology that enhances the color accuracy and contrast of the OLED panel. The performance of the Redmi K70 Pro is also impressive. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, which is the latest and most powerful chipset from the company. It also has an Adreno 750 GPU, which can handle any game or app with ease. The phone comes with up to 24GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, which are both very generous and fast. The phone also has a 5000 square millimeter cooling area with a vapor chamber, which helps to keep the temperature under control. The camera department of the Redmi K70 Pro is also impressive. It has a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of a 50MP main camera, a 50MP telephoto camera, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. The main camera uses a new Sony Leitia 800 sensor, which is 1/1.55 inches in size and has a f1.6 aperture. It also has optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization, which help to capture stable and clear photos and videos. The telephoto camera uses an OmniVision OV50D40 sensor, which has 2x optical zoom and phase detection autofocus. The ultra-wide camera uses an OmniVision OV50K sensor, which has a 120-degree field of view and phase detection autofocus. The camera features include LED flash, HDR, panorama, bokeh mode, and Pro mode. The phone can record 8K videos at 24fps, 4K videos at up to 960fps, and 720p videos at up to 1920fps. The front-facing camera has a 16MP sensor, which can record 1080p videos at up to 60fps. The battery life of the Redmi K70 Pro is also impressive. It has a 5000 mAh battery that supports 120 watt fast charging, which can fully charge the phone in just 18 minutes. The phone also has a P2 charging chip and a G1 battery management chip, which improve the battery life and the overall power management. The phone also supports NFC, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, QZSS, and NavIC. The phone runs on Android 14 with HyperOS on top, which is Xiaomi's custom skin that offers a lot of features and customization options. The Redmi K70 Pro is a flagship killer that offers a lot of value for money. It was announced in China on November 29th, but the release date is not confirmed yet. We hope it will come to other markets soon. That's it for this video. What do you think of the Redmi K70 Pro? Do you think it can compete with other flagships? Let us know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, The Tech Critic, for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.